Then we come to space. Up now, space can be positive or negative. The area that an object covers is the positive space, or the space or the volume that it covers is positive form of volume. The area that it leaves around is negative, space. So जैसे if you consider this logo, the area that it covers is positive and the area that it leaves around is negative space. So that's just a terminology that we use while creating layouts. That's space. And then we come to color. तो अगेन साइंटिफिक डेफिनेशन सबको पता है यहाँ पे, वी आर नॉट हेयर टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट, बट लाइक कलर इज यूज्ड अगेन इन टू टाइप्स ऑफ फॉर्मेट्स. फिजिकल जो के पेंट्स होते हैं, जैसे जो आई गेस रंगीला के आते थे, एंड देन देयर इज आल्सो फेबर कैस्टल, देयर इज एक्रेलिक एंड देयर इज पोस्टर कलर्स एंड ऑल. तो अलग अलग फॉर्म के अंदर फिजिकल मीडियम है कलर. देयर इज आल्सो digitally that colors happen by the mixing of light. There's LEDs in the screen. Up there's properties to those LEDs assigned. Up if you want to make a color in a digital space, so what you need to look for is these three properties: hue, saturation and brightness. Hue means कौन सा color use करोगे from the Vibgyor spectrum. So red, green, yellow, blue, it could be anything. Then there's also saturation. Saturation is the amount of hue. मतलब कितना intense color है, intensity of the color that you are choosing. And then brightness is the कितना dark है कितना light है. Just like a picture, photo editing app के अंदर you use brightness all the time to brighten the picture or to darken the picture. It's sort of like that. It's to brighten the color or darken the color. Photoshop में it's represented by these three sliders. पहले वाला is hue, second वाला is saturation. It again, as you see it, basically depicts the amount of red being added to white. अगर कोई कलर नहीं है, it's basically white. अगर सारे कलर्स हैं, it's red. Then there's also B. B is for brightness. Then it can either be fully bright or it can be fully dark. It basically starts here at 50% sometimes. So that's HSB, or hue, saturation, brightness. There's also RGB system जिसके अंदर से you can create colors in a digital format. RGB stands for red, green and blue. तो डिजिटल फॉर्मेट के अंदर प्राइमरी कलर्स आर रेड, ग्रीन एंड ब्लू. उसके ऊपर मैं ज्यादा नहीं जाऊंगा, दैट विल जस्ट कंफ्यूज यू. बट लाइक HSB सिस्टम इज द इजीएस्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ कलर. Then there's also value. A value can be of anything, but it's just relative to the elements that you're applying it to. अब जैसे value is basically lightness or darkness. It can be lightness and darkness of colors. It can be lightness and darkness of shapes. जैसे इस screen के अंदर there's no color. It's technically black and white. It's monochrome. Here, the value would mean this is the darkest object that has this has the highest value. This and the text, because those are the elements that are black, like pitch black. The highlight is dark gray, जो इसके पीछे वाली है, that has the second most prominent amount of value. उसके बाद there's this footer, so it has again a slightly lighter gray, and then there's white for the background. So that is the order, decreasing order of the value इस screen के अंदर. So you can use it for very creative manner and within your layout to sort of gauge interest in some area, या फिर you can use it in a sense that you make something more prominent, to highlight something, to highlight an area. You'll So that is the case of value. Then we come to texture. So texture is basically surface quality in the design world or in the world of art. But basically texture would, why is this important as an element? Because once you need to once you understand a texture properly, जैसे let's consider a wooden tree का bark, the texture of that wood. If you have to use it in a product, if you have to use wood in a product, you would have to understand कि वो अलग अलग settings के अंदर कैसा लग रहा है. If you place it on a table in a showroom, what would it look like? If you're placing it in a bedroom on a bedside table under daylight, तो वो कैसा लगेगा, या फिर अंडर टंगस्टन लाइट वो कैसा लगेगा. तो once you have this knowledge of texture, के texture basically involves the amount of reflections, the amount of light it absorbs, the color of it, the surface imperfections would also matter. मतलब जैसे indentations in the surface. Wood is very rough, but metal, on the contrast, is very reflective. It's glossy, it's shiny. So that all those properties are part of texture in general, or creating a material in general. So that is where texture sort of comes into play.